Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge. As Shibadoge have started dominating, you can see that Shibadoge holders community are really trying their best. You can see the Shibadoge song. Some group of guys actually released Shibadoge song. This song is trending. If you go to Shibadoge page on YouTube, you can watch the video there. And also another group of people actually proposed that Shibadoge should at least burn the remaining supply of Shibadoge. That if they can burn at least 50% of Shibadoge supply, that is going to be one of the biggest way of starting the journey to 1 million percent or even 100,000%. Yes, right now I think Shibadoge have a lot of coins. This coin started with about 420 Sexitillion and they burned about 50% of that coin. If Shibadoge can destroy 100 Sexitillion coins of Shibadoge, believe it, this is going to be a perfect way to start. This is going to be a perfect way the developers will put that idea. The developer will tell the holder, the community, the world that look, we are ready for Shibadoge. Shibadoge have a lot of coins. When you compare Shibadoge to other crypto coins, this coin still have a lot. Starting with 420 Sexitillion. Wow! Shiba Inu have about 548 trillion. For Shiba Inu, and then you talk about coins like Terona Classic with about 5.9 trillion. So you talk about the Tectonic token with about 500 trillion, but we're talking about Shibadoge. They started with 420 Sexitillion. This coin needs to destroy. They don't need to wait for the holders to start burning gradually. The developers should just burn half of it or even 70% of the supply. That is what we want. That is going to be a perfect way to start. That's going to be a perfect way to push, to promote Shibadoge coin for me. So I believe that, but though if Shibadoge can gain the attention, gain the market cap, that has really gained recently, gain the support, gain the listening with such number of coins out there, it simply means this is a message to people that by the time this coin will get more listening, by the time this coin will destroy, will burn Sexitillion coins, Shibadoge is going to dominate, and I'm hoping for this to actually happen. But anyhow, we believe that the future is looking good for Shibadoge, and I believe that very soon we'll be seeing this coin at the top. Let's keep hoping that this coin will continue, and this coin very soon will put smiles on all its community on the global markets. Once again, thank you for stopping by. I remember that this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.